What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, during the cross-examination, Advocate Mnesi was cross-examining Brigadier Gininda, and he was pressing Gininda, on whether the accused, that is Moses Ibiya, whether he signed, that document acknowledging his constitutional rights, So Advocate Mnisi was emphasizing that there was nothing before the court, to confirm that the accused actually signed this document in that diary. There was no formal statement, not even the signature in the officer's diary. So Brigadier Gininda, he actually admitted that this is true, the accused did not even sign. But he maintained that the diary, served only as a summary log, not a formal place, to obtain signatures. So there is this crucial statement, that Advocate Mnesi said, where he said, accept what you are saying as a word of mouth. So here Advocate Mnesi, was highlighting the court now has to just accept what Brigadier Gininda is saying solely on his personal account only. But who is right and who is wrong on this issue? We have to analyze it, Because looking at the law, for example, it obviously states that an arrested person, they have a right, to be informed of their rights promptly, and in a language that they understand. So, but there is no strict requirement that says that this explanation, be documented via a signed form. So this is where there is a bit of an issue. The only exception is when it is a confession or a formal statement, but Gininda was just writing down, in his diary. So, but however, the courts, they favor something, that is verifiable, especially in such a serious case. So Gininda is technically within the law, but the absence of that written acknowledgement, it kind of weakens the reliability of his claim, and makes it vulnerable to cross-examination. So looking at it overall, this cross-examination, this questioning, Advocate Mnesi was not proving illegality, but was successfully, questioning the credibility and procedure, which can affect, how Judge Rata is going to weigh this testimony by Brigadier Gininda.